Sometimes a little simple trick like this takes a few times to get it just right, so don't give up hope if you don't get it exactly right the first time. Sometimes it takes a little repositioning and fine-tuning. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Got a pretty pitted tub deal. I'm going to be changing it out, and I want to show you how to change it out without marking the new one. So what I have is a strap wrench. I'm going to show you how to do that. Here's our new one. Of course, we don't want to mark up our new one. Hence the strap wrench. Now the strap wrench is really useful for other plumbing fixtures like faucets and shower necks and shower arms and all the different stuff where you want to protect the finish and you don't want to scratch it up. Okay, and now when we need our strap wrench. Now the trick with the strap wrench is it actually goes on backwards. It doesn't go this way, it goes this way. And what you got to do is bend it over your deal like so, and that'll allow you to strap it on. Now it could be definitely tricky with something like this because of the position that it's in. So I'm going to grab it right up front here. Now we're in, and this we can seal up, but this will also give us a good indication to make sure that we're all right there, no leaking, and then I can pop that in and be all set. Alright, now I can follow that up with a little silicone caulking. We're good to go. Making sure we're not cross-threaded. Okay. And now the strap wrench. In the strap wrench, you gotta go backwards. Just like so. It can be a little tricky. The tub deal with such an odd shape that, Okay. There we go. Looks like I went a little farther. I need to come back just a hair. Okay. Okay, nice new tub spout. All set there. And in the back we can just caulk that. I'll use a silicone caulking. It'll pretty much just last forever. Got a 10-year never mold finish on the silicone caulking, which I show in another video. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. So this video focuses on how to use a strap wrench, so I'll cut to that. But if you'd like to see the entire video of how to replace tired tub spouts, check out that video, how to replace tired bathtub spouts. There I go into a bit more detail on the subject.